Hey everyone, welcome back to. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're always up to date with the latest reviews, motorcycle news, and everything in between. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about: the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350. This bike has been a fan favorite for years, and with the new 2026 update, it's about to take things to a whole new level. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into the design, features, performance, and everything you need to know about the all-new Royal Enfield Classic 350. Let's get started. Royal Enfield has been at the forefront of reviving retro-style motorcycles with modern technology, and the Classic 350 has always been a cornerstone of that philosophy. For 2026, the company has given us an even more refined version of this iconic bike, with a fresh take on styling, improved technology, and a slightly revamped riding experience. When you first look at the 2026 Classic 350, the first thing you'll notice is its unmistakable design. This is a bike that's both timeless and modern, with curves and lines that harken back to the golden age of motorcycling, while integrating the latest in performance and technology. Whether you're a die-hard Royal Enfield fan or a newcomer, the Classic 350 is sure to capture your attention. What we're seeing here is a subtle evolution of the Classic 350, not a complete overhaul. But don't let that fool you. The 2026 model offers significant improvements that elevate the overall riding experience while maintaining the bike's vintage charm. Royal Enfield has taken everything that made the Classic 350 great and made it even better. The design of the 2026 Classic 350 is all about striking the perfect balance between retro styling and contemporary touches. The bike retains its iconic teardrop-shaped fuel tank, chrome accents, and classic styling elements, but with new enhancements that bring a fresh breath of air to this beloved machine. One of the standout changes is the new matte color options. Royal Enfield has expanded the color palette for the 2026 Classic 350 to include a variety of matte and satin finishes, adding a new level of sophistication to the look. You'll also notice the improved tank badges, which now feature a more modern font, while maintaining the traditional feel. These small design updates help the Classic 350 stand out in the crowd without straying too far from what makes this bike so iconic. As for the frame, it's still built on a sturdy steel backbone, ensuring durability and rigidity, but the overall weight has been reduced. This makes the bike more nimble and easier to handle, especially for newer riders or anyone who enjoys a lightweight feel when maneuvering at low speeds. At the front, the Classic 350 features a new round headlamp with LED lighting elements. This improves both visibility and style. The headlamp remains true to the classic shape, but the updated lighting provides better illumination at night, giving the rider improved visibility and safety on the road. The rear section of the bike features a redesigned taillight, which is now a sleek LED unit that adds a modern touch to the otherwise retro aesthetic. The chrome rear fender also gets a refresh, keeping the bike's vintage appeal intact while providing a more durable and refined look. Comfort has always been a crucial element of the Classic 350 experience, and Royal Enfield knows how to make sure you feel at home on this bike. The 2026 Classic 350 continues this tradition with an ergonomic design that allows riders of all sizes to enjoy long-distance rides without sacrificing comfort. The seat is plush and spacious, offering plenty of room for both the rider and pillion. The new seat material is more durable and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring longevity even after years of use. For the rider, the foot pegs are placed in a natural neutral position that helps maintain a relaxed riding posture, making it easier to tackle both city streets and longer highway rides. The handlebars are also placed at a comfortable height and width, offering great control without feeling too stretched out or cramped. This ergonomic design helps reduce strain on your wrists and shoulders during longer rides, making it perfect for cruising down highways or navigating through tight urban traffic. Now let's talk about what really matters: the performance. Royal Enfield has always been about accessible power with a focus on ease of riding, and the 2026 Classic 350 continues that philosophy. Under the tank lies the same trusted 349cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, but with several updates designed to improve performance and reliability. The new engine in the 2026 Classic 350 is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, which offers smooth shifts and a more relaxed cruising experience, especially on long rides. Power delivery is linear and manageable, making this bike accessible to both beginners and experienced riders alike. The engine produces around 20 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, which is more than enough to handle city riding, highway cruising, and even light touring. One of the standout features of the 2026 Classic 350 is the improved throttle response. Thanks to some fine-tuning of the engine's electronic controls, the throttle feels more responsive than ever before. Whether you're accelerating from a stoplight or overtaking on the highway, the engine reacts with precision, giving you that satisfying feeling of controlled power. The bike's performance is also bolstered by the updated exhaust system, which has a deeper, more refined tone. It's not loud or intrusive, but it carries the signature Royal Enfield growl that riders know and love. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Classic 350 benefits from Royal Enfield's expertise in crafting bikes that handle beautifully on both smooth and rough roads. The front suspension features a telescopic fork with 41mm stanchions, while the rear comes equipped with twin gas-charged shock absorbers. This combination offers a plush ride that soaks up bumps and imperfections in the road, ensuring a comfortable and controlled experience no matter where you're riding. The bike's steering geometry has been tweaked slightly for 2026, giving it even more stability when cornering. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or taking on winding mountain roads, the Classic 350 feels planted and confident in every turn. The weight of the bike, while not overly light, is well balanced, which makes it very manageable at low speeds. For newer riders, this is a huge plus, as it helps build confidence when maneuvering the bike through tight spots or parking lots. For 2026, Royal Enfield has introduced a range of new tech features designed to enhance both the riding experience and rider convenience. While the Classic 350 still retains its classic analog vibe, there are a few key updates that take the bike into the modern age. First, the Classic 350 now comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, which features a traditional analog speedometer with a digital readout for odometer, trip meter, and fuel gauge. This offers the best of both worlds, a classic look with modern functionality. Additionally, the cluster features a new gear position indicator, making it easier for new riders to keep track of their gear shifts. The bike is also equipped with a Bluetooth connectivity system that pairs with your smartphone. This allows you to receive turn-by-turn navigation directions directly on your instrument panel, as well as take calls and listen to music, all hands-free. Royal Enfield has also included a new USB charging port under the seat, so you can keep your devices powered up on long journeys. Another key update is the new switchgear, which now includes a hazard light switch, a long overdue addition for safety, especially when riding in low visibility conditions. Safety is always a priority, and Royal Enfield has made sure to incorporate modern braking technology into the 2026 Classic 350. The bike is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear, with the front featuring a 300mm disc and the rear a 270mm disc. The braking performance is solid, offering plenty of stopping power when you need it. In addition to the upgraded brakes, the Classic 350 comes with dual-channel ABS as standard, ensuring better control and safety in emergency braking situations or on slippery surfaces. This is a big step forward for Royal Enfield, especially for those who plan to take the bike on longer rides or through areas with varied road conditions. Now, let's talk about the price. With all these updates and enhancements, you might be wondering where the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 sits in terms of cost. The 2026 Classic 350 is expected to start at around $5,000, and making it a very competitive option in the mid-range motorcycle segment. For that price, you're getting a bike that combines retro styling with modern technology, making it one of the best value propositions in its class. As for availability, the 2026 Classic 350 will be hitting dealerships in the second quarter of 2025, so if you're looking to get your hands on one, it's a good idea to start checking with your local Royal Enfield dealer. The 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a fantastic evolution of an already beloved motorcycle. It offers the perfect mix of retro charm, modern features, and reliable performance, making it an ideal choice for riders looking for a bike that's both nostalgic and forward-thinking. With its updated styling, improved engine performance, and enhanced tech features, the Classic 350 is ready to take on a new generation of riders. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the 2026 Classic 350 offers an experience that's hard to beat. So, what do you think of the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350? Will you be adding it to your garage? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.